Okay, so today we are going to plan about how we are going to do the calendar. Okay, so what we need is like a laminated sheet of like this kind of table. So you have columns are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns are there, because Sunday to Saturday we have all 7 days, and rows including 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 rows, 6 into 7, and one more row, that means 7 into 7 row, but like this has to be empty little bit like this. So here you have a month, here we will have the year sticker places, and this Sunday to Saturday we can write in full letters. Right now I'm just indicating it as like small ones. Okay, but you can indicate it like you can write it completely. We print it, we will laminate it, and this also will go as the velcros here, but it is okay this also can go as velcros, or if it is there already fixed also not a problem, because Sunday to Saturday will be in that same order only: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, so first we are going to do is like we are going to ask the child to fix so these all round circles are like the indicators of the velcros, and we are going to have the numbers 1 to 31. Depending on the month we are going to have the numbers, but like we can start it like 1 to any month like that. So for example, so this month started on Sunday for example. So now 1 will be placed over here, right? So number 1 will be stuck. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what date is today? 9. So this will be the way we will be placing the numbers. So let me repeat that one more time. We are going to have the velcros here, and when the day starts, when the month of this one starts, so for example, if Saturday is the beginning of the month for example, so we will start like today's date is 1, so let's put 1 over here, and then 2 3 4 5 6. Now we reached on Thursday, so we will ask the child to count. We will not place all the other numbers, we are just going to place how many dates are there, only that much. So yesterday we placed it till 5, today you are going to put the 6. You are not going to place every day all the numbers, we are just going to place one number each day, and then we will ask the child. So the prompt here is like you don't have any further numbers here, right? So since we haven't placed any further numbers, child will get an understanding of like which date is today, because there is like empty places after this. So the last stick number will be the today's date. So we will ask the child, what date is today? 6. Today's date is 6. And what day is today? What day is today? Child can go directly like this and go up. So like this, prompt the child to go like this, up. So today is Thursday. And when we have the Thursday, we also need to have one more velcroed Thursday, which not the same Thursday. We will have one more set of Sunday to Saturday, and that Thursday we will place over here. Today is Thursday. And today is Thursday. And now we will ask the child, what day was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. The day before today was Wednesday. What day was yesterday? Wednesday. So now we will ask the child to place the Wednesday card on yesterday was Wednesday. And what will be tomorrow? Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be what comes after Thursday, that will be Friday. Now we will place tomorrow will be Friday. Of course this won't be like understood by the child all of a sudden. This will take time, but trust me and do this regularly. every day so that the child will understand. And then you will have all the month cards as well. So then we will place, okay, so now this month is July, so you have a July card and place it on here, July, right? And then we have the year card, which is like 2024, and you don't have to change it every year, but you can have a velcro, because every year we are not going to create a calendar, right? So you are going to have a calendar for long term, so keep like 1 year velcro, month velcro. And then we can ask the child, what day is it today? Today is 6. And what month is this? Month is July. What year is this? 2024. Child can do the pointing or speech according to the child, okay? And now we have the weather, and we can just take the child outside the near the window, show them the weather today, and ask, how is the weather today? So if that moment it looks cloudy, just go with cloudy or sunny, rainy. So that depending on the climate, we can have multiple climate weather picture. You can put the weather, not today's weather, how is today's weather, and then today is cloudy. We will also have the name down here. We can have those cards later, okay? So once that is done, our calendar is ready. So this much only we have to prepare, one sheet like this for the whole thing, and yesterday, today, tomorrow boxes, and then we have the weather box, okay? And what we needed is multiple velcros, like for example here we need 3 velcros, and here we need 1 for here, 1 for this one, and one all of this should be velcroed, all this, because the date will change according to the months and time, right? So all this should be velcroed, and the other side of the velcro 1 to 31 we should have the dates according to the month. 30, 31, 28, 29, all these numbers will change, right? According to that we will place the number. So today is 6, and tomorrow you are going to place the next number, and then you are asking like, what day is it today? Today is 7, and they are going to put the 7 over here. What day it is today? 7. And then we can also ask the child, okay, let's count 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let's know there are 7 days of a month. What are the 7 days of a week? What are the 7 days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So when we do the singing and we will do the pointing together, child can also relate to the dates pictures, okay, and days pictures. And then we have for the month also we have another song. So we can ask like, what month is this? This is July, okay? So now let's sing the month song. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months in a year. So we can sing this song also for the child, and this we can do like a 5-10 minutes only will take in the morning. Try to do it in the morning or do it in the evening. When you do it in the evening, climate part will be missing, so try to do the weather thing before the sunset so that the child can do that completely, okay? So if you can do it in the morning, good, or if you can do it in the evening, it's also okay, but try to do it regularly so that child gets like 1 to 3 months we do this regularly, child gets pretty much of idea. Needs the time, even for any child it needs the time to understand the calendar. Calendars are always under prompt. Even for us it is under prompt, that we need somebody to tell what date is today. Either we need a clock, or we know that some date we were knowing, so we are mentally calculating the date. So but we have a calendar, right? So same thing we are providing for the child. The only difference here is like it is customized in a way that child gets a clue like what it is today. So this we can try to do it with siblings so that they get little bit more motivated, and once they get an idea a little bit, I wouldn't say it's to start in the beginning, we can also start the date writing. What is today's date is 6, so that is like 6, and which month is this, and we can also have the month codes. Another script we'll have to create, so that is like 7, and then what year is this, 2024. So this is on a longer step, I wouldn't say to do it right now. So once they get that, so we are teaching the date writing also completely. They can write the date by themselves. So for that, what you have to do is like for the understanding number code of the month, what we can do is we can write, not here, we can have another set of card where January to December, all the names of the month with the code we can write January 1. So like this you need to have a card separately, so they can see what month is this. Okay, so this is January, so it's 1. So similarly this is July, this is 7, so then they are placing 7 6 7 2024. Or we can have like literally writing the day year here, 6 July 2024. One of this practice we can do with children. Okay, I hope this is clear. Bye bye.